Oh shit. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, I'm eating a little unhealthy, from my vegan lifestyle, but getting off some thoughts today. Y'all, this title of this live is called Stand Up Men. The reason it's called Stand Up Men is because, y'all, I be seeing a lot of crazy shit these days. Like, men just not being stand-up men. Like, being a stand-up man, I feel like it's really needed these days. And these next couple weeks on my podcast, we're going to be touching on the topic of being a stand-up man. As far as learning how to train and learning how to protect, your families, learning how to earn, actually going to work. The problem today is like a lot of people, a lot of men, a lot of boys don't know how to work or show respect, especially when it comes to, taking care of your woman or whatever, right? Or just even simply being able to have discipline to control your emotions. And then one thing that I see in a lot of men is not being able to have discipline over your emotions. A lot of people be impulsive. You say one thing, they ready to go, crash out, throw their whole life away. It shouldn't be like that. Especially if you don't want to make a decision that you're going to regret for the rest of your life. It's crazy. Well, to each his own though. Personally, I'm one of those people who have always had self-discipline to where I'm able to control my emotion and not let my anger or me being impulsive kind of mess up what I got going on, or let it mess up what I got going on, like between my girl or whatever. Like, when you can't control your emotions, that's a huge red flag as a man. Especially because you gotta know it's always a time to be reactive and it's a time to be non-reactive, which a lot of people don't get. Perfect example. When people like try you, people talking shit about you, or you feel like people are talking crazy or whatever, that don't mean just go out and punch somebody in their face and just go all out type shit. You don't always have to do that, man. Because that person could be provoking you because they know you're going to react crazy, and then they end up shooting you dead, and then you're not alive anymore. Perfect example is the King Von situation. King Von went openly, put his hands on somebody, and ended up getting killed for it, man. Us as men have to stop being impulsive and start thinking when we start, before we do anything. Now I get it, everybody certain people they're gonna cheat, certain people they're gonna be impulsive, but we gotta eliminate that bullshit. Especially black men. Like, in order for black people to get, black men specifically, to take themselves to the next level, we gotta master self-discipline. We gotta master how to protect our women, how to respect our women. We also gotta master how to make some money and beat the odds. We gotta learn how to respect one another. Gotta learn how to network. Gotta learn how to not hate on each other. That's a big thing, especially when it comes to being a stand-up man. And one of the biggest things that I see, especially in the black community, when it comes to being a stand-up man, it's like a lot of these days, nobody respects, people being in a relationship. So, perfect example. A lot of stuff I see that people will be cool with you, and this stuff I've seen in the business world. People will be cool with you, die hard with you, your best friend, and they'll know you married, and they'll still try to talk to your wife like that's not stand up at all. the world, the example of changing the world. Like Martin Luther King said, you know, live not all my dreams and being the change that I want to see in the world. But us as men, though, we definitely got to start, you know, taking initiative. I had to learn last year. I had a couple incidents last year where I had to learn how to, as a man, to straight up take initiative. But not being in control of the situation. Nowadays, if I'm in any situation, no matter what the situation is, if nobody's in control of the situation, I'm taking control of the situation. And since I've been doing that, my life has been great. A couple things though that I will tell you guys. When it comes to being a stand-up man, y'all, especially like for all of like the young guys on the come up like myself, be sure to always take care of your appearance, your beauty, your hair, your nails, working out, your body, your eating good, all that type of stuff. Also, just learn how to. First thing you guys need to do is learn how to learn. Once you learn how to learn, you'll be able to learn anything. And then, once you learn how to learn, you'll be able to talk and you'll be able to calculate your thoughts and execute better. You know, I think every young man, especially like my age, you know, 20, 18 and up, should have a solid plan and stick to them plans all the way up until you're 30. Build yourself up. So, you know, taking care of yourself for years and years, working out, of course, every single day, taking care of your health, learning how to be a man too, learning from other different men how to be a man, learn how to treat women, learn how to respect women. Also, learn how to earn income, learn how to provide, you know, learn how to, even if you gotta go to college, you gotta go to trade school, start a business, do what you gotta do. But like, don't be a bum out here, man. Like, do not be a bum. The worst thing you guys could be is a bum. But if y'all keep watching my page, I promise you, I'm taking everybody with me to the next level. That's a fact. But y'all, I hope y'all like my inspirational words today.